Hi, I'm David Todd, Service Manager at the Quick Lane at Caldwell Ford. We just want to let you know some of the precautions we're taking during these times to keep our customers and our employees both safe. We have installed plexiglass between customers and employees. We have got throughout our waiting area hand sanitizing stations. We are wiping and cleaning any points of touch where you would enter or leave the building from. We have also rearranged our waiting area to make sure we had good distance between customers, employees, and everyone. We've also marked the floor so we make sure we have everybody at 6 foot as they're waiting. And our employees are wearing gloves. We're using steering wheel covers on every vehicle for the customer and for the employee both. And if you'd rather not come in, we are offering pickup and drop off within a 20-mile radius. And we also have changed some of our hours during this time. If you check our website for the new current hours, just want to let you know that we are here for you. Come on in and visit us and stay safe and stay strong. Thank you.